Hello everyone, welcome you all in today's my class. Today I will teach you a new chapter of our geography, that is reliance of the earth. Okay, so let us, without wasting much time, let's start today's class with this topic. So first I will explain what is meaning of reliance. So reliance means the region, sphere or domain within which anything occurs, travels or dominates. Okay, so students, we know very well earth is the only planet that can support life because of the presence of life sustaining materials such as land, air and water. Okay, this is conceivable. So in this planet, means earth, four realms are, okay. So for which four realms, first is lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere. So next, I will explain all four realms one by one. So first I will discuss about lithosphere. Okay, so lithosphere is the solid. This I show you a diagram. This part is area of lithosphere. So lithosphere is the solid crust or the hard top part of the earth. It is made up of rocks and minerals and covered with a thick layer of soil. It is not smooth surface as you see on the globe, but has high mountains, plateaus or highlands, low plains, deep valleys and very deep basins. Okay, with water like oceans. Okay, so I hope you all understood first realm of earth, lithosphere. Next, I will explain second realm, that is atmosphere. Okay, so atmosphere is second realm. So it is one of the four components of the Earth's ecosystems. The other three are biosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere. Okay, so it is a band of gases enveloping the Earth's surface, and 99% of its mass is concentrated within 20 miles of the Earth's surface. I repeat again about atmosphere realms. So it is one of the four components of the Earth's ecosystem. Other three is biosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere. So it is a band of gases enveloping the Earth's surface. Okay, atmosphere is enveloping all Earth's surface. This time, so 99% of its mass is concentrated within 20 miles of the Earth's surface. Next, I will explain third realm, that is hydrosphere. Okay, so all the waters on the Earth's surface means all the waters, such as lakes, seas, and sometimes including water over the Earth's surface, such as clouds. Okay, so this is all is definition of hydrosphere. I again repeat. All the waters on the Earth's surface, such as lakes and seas, and sometimes including water over the Earth's surface, such as clouds. Okay. Next, fourth realm is biosphere. Okay. So, biosphere, hydrosphere atmosphere and lithosphere of Earth together consist the biosphere. Okay. So biosphere, what is biosphere definition? So biosphere is the layer within the planet Earth where life exists. This layer ranges from heights of up to 10 kilometers above sea level. 10 kilometers. Okay. So these layers range from heights up to 10 kilometers above sea level to depth of the ocean. Okay, depth of the ocean. The ranges are determined according to the zones which helps life to sustain, has water and oxygen. This biosphere is an integral part of the domains, as it is the only sphere sustaining life. Energy received from the sun allows the trophic levels of different organisms to survive. Okay, so I hope you all understood all four realms of the Earth. First is lithosphere, second is atmosphere, third is hydrosphere, and fourth biosphere. So for your better understanding, and next I will show you an animation video. So please watch everyone.
Humans have different body parts like eyes, ears, nose, hands, legs, etc. These body parts all together form the body system. In this system, the body parts work together. That makes our survival possible. In the same way, the planet Earth has its own divisions or realms that helps the living things to survive in it. These divisions or realms work together and makes the Earth to be the only planet that supports life. The Earth is divided into 4 realms: atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere, and biosphere. Air is all around us. We inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. Along with these 2 gases, there are some other gases like nitrogen, argon, etc. All these gases together form a layer that surrounds the Earth and is known as the atmosphere of the Earth. Seas, lakes, oceans, ponds, and rivers are the different water bodies on our planet. All these water bodies together known as the hydrosphere. There are different landforms on the Earth like plains, plateaus, hills, mountains, and even the land under the sea. All this land together make up the lithosphere. The 4th realm of the Earth is the biosphere, which comprises of all the living organisms. Biosphere connects the other 3 realms. Let me show you how. We can find living organisms like the flying birds in the atmosphere. We can find the sea creatures, the marine living organisms in the hydrosphere. We can also see the animals, plants, and even we, the human beings, live in the lithosphere. So, biosphere is the area where life exists and is connected to the other 3 realms. Therefore, what we have understood is that all the 4 realms, atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere, and biosphere, together form the Earth system, and these 4 realms working together makes the Earth sustainable and livable for all the organisms.